getting to the final stages. Did a lot here. I gotta put a reverse switch in tomorrow. Get the gauge there for the pyro. Was it working correctly? I wanted to update it one. Put a system in with a kicker. Boom. That looks so good. This used to be the old refrigerator. Made a shelf here. Gonna put some nets here. Kicker. Got the amp here. System there. CD radio here. This is the monitor for the cameras. Refrigerator working. We're at 13.9 volts. Got the base thing there. And we got a huge mess. But yeah, it's coming out. Almost done. Think a couple more days here, we're done. You know, got the refrigerator. Refrigerator's working. Hooked up some inverter. Got another inverter down there. Yep. Oh, that looks so good. That looks so good. Just have to clean the mess underneath. Mess. Clean everything, organize everything, and yeah, progress. Legacy seat came out really nice. Putting the door speakers in. That one. Gotta change this one tomorrow. Wire up the cameras. We're almost done. Progress.